talk about how can you enable hidden numbers on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click here on your photo profile, when you just click here on your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on block, just click on it. So then you come to accept here, then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to hidden numbers, click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean hidden numbers enable with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,